If you're tired of outdated or uncomfortable helmets that don't offer enough protection, it might be time to upgrade. That's where ski helmets come in. Not only do they provide essential safety on the slopes, but they're also designed with comfort and style in mind. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the top 6 ski helmets. Whether you're a seasoned skier or just starting out, I'll help you find the perfect helmet for your next adventure. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Giro Ledge MIPS. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list with robust safety features with versatile functionality, making it an excellent choice for winter sports. Its standout feature is the multi-directional impact protection system technology, which enhances protection by reducing rotational forces during angled impacts. This is paired with a hard shell construction and an EPS foam liner for superior durability and impact absorption. Comfort and fit are prioritized with the Auto Lock 2-Fit system, which offers a self-adjusting elastic fit band and 3 adjustable settings for a customized snug fit. Additionally, the on-the-fly vertical tuning system ensures seamless integration with goggles, eliminating gaps and maintaining proper alignment without the need to remove the helmet. The super cool vents and stack vent technology promote airflow, keeping your head comfortable and reducing goggle fogging during intense activity. This helmet supports customization with removable ear pads and compatibility with aftermarket audio systems by Outdoor Tech, allowing you to enjoy music on the slopes. Its stylish design is available in various matte finishes, appealing to a broad range of users. Overall, it's a dependable investment for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Number 5 is the Pret Cynic X2 MIPS. This is the best low-profile helmet on our list that offers top-tier protection, comfort, and performance. Engineered with input from professional athletes, it features MIPS technology, which reduces rotational forces during angled impacts, providing enhanced safety in demanding conditions. Its advanced composite technology construction integrates in-mold multi-shell technology with overlapping polycarbonate shells, ensuring both durability and a lightweight design. This helmet is equipped with level 1 direct ventilation, which allows optimal airflow, keeping users comfortable during intense activity. It also incorporates X-static fabric, which is infused with silver for natural antimicrobial properties, effectively reducing odor and maintaining freshness over prolonged use. The low-profile design offers a sleek appearance, while the adjustable fit system ensures a snug, customized fit for maximum comfort. For versatility, it includes detachable covert ear covers, making it audio-ready and compatible with most communication systems. These features make it suitable for diverse winter sports environments. Overall, it offers a blend of safety, comfort, and modern aesthetics, which makes it appealing to both casual and experienced athletes. Number 4 is the Smith Vantage MIPS helmet. This is the best option on our list for those who prioritize good ventilation. It features a hybrid shell construction that combines durability with lightweight performance. Integrated MIPS technology enhances safety by reducing rotational forces during impacts, offering superior head protection on the slopes. A standout feature is its 21 adjustable vents, which provide exceptional climate control, making it ideal for varying conditions. The dual regulator system allows independent control of front and rear vents, ensuring you can maintain optimal airflow or warmth as needed. The helmet's BOA 360 fit system offers precise and comfortable adjustability, catering to a wide range of head shapes and ensuring a secure fit. The zonal choroid panels enhance impact absorption without adding extra weight, while the nano silver performance lining provides moisture wicking and antimicrobial properties, keeping the interior fresh and comfortable. At just over 1 pound, the Vantage is remarkably lightweight, making it suitable for both resort and backcountry use. Users praise the helmet's durability and excellent goggle compatibility, especially with Smith goggles and its sleek design. While it excels in ventilation and comfort, some note it may feel too airy for extremely cold days. Overall, it delivers on its promises of quality and protection, and is a favorite among serious winter sports enthusiasts. And if you want to know the latest prices of the ski helmets discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Pret Circ X MIPS. This is the most comfortable helmet on our list, designed to deliver top-tier performance and safety for skiing enthusiasts. It features a hybrid construction that combines lightweight durability with a low-profile design, making it both protective and comfortable for extended use. The helmet is equipped with advanced ventilation, the most extensive in Pret's lineup, ideal for skiers who push their limits or tackle rigorous climbs. Its VTT4 venting system ensures superior airflow management, with adjustable options to keep you cool during exertion and warm on chairlift rides. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of MIPS technology and impact protection zones that mitigate rotational forces during impacts. It's also lined with Pret's exclusive X static fabric, which has antimicrobial properties to keep odors at bay and maintain freshness throughout the season. The Fidlock magnetic buckle ensures a secure and easy-to-use closure even while wearing gloves. It is also audio compatible, making it a versatile choice for those who enjoy staying connected or listening to music on the slopes. Skiers and professionals such as ski patrollers favor this helmet for its balance of functionality, style, and reliability. Additionally, the helmet's annually refreshed color options and compatibility with different goggles add to its appeal. While some users note its premium price, the features and high-quality build justify the investment. Overall, it stands out as a top choice for performance-driven skiers seeking uncompromising safety and comfort. Number 2 is the Giro Ratio MIPS. This is the best value ski helmet on our list that offers a perfect blend of advanced safety features, comfort, and style. It's constructed using a durable hard shell design where a tough outer shell is securely fused to an EPS foam liner. This construction provides excellent impact protection and ensures durability in demanding conditions. The inclusion of MIPS technology enhances safety by reducing rotational forces during angled impacts, offering an additional layer of protection. For an optimal fit, the helmet features the Inform Fit system, which allows users to adjust the fit easily, even while wearing gloves. With up to 6 centimeters of adjustability and enhanced stability, this system caters to a wide range of head sizes and shapes. The vertical tuning feature eliminates the dreaded gaper gap between goggles and the helmet, ensuring a seamless fit. The ventilation system is another highlight, with thermostat control adjustable vents allowing you to quickly regulate airflow. The stack ventilation technology aligns with goggles to prevent fogging, keeping vision clear during activity. The helmet is also designed for seamless compatibility with all Giro goggles, with the Giro Roam and Moxie models being particularly well matched. Users appreciate its comfortable fit, warm interior, and modern design, especially for those with larger head sizes. However, some users have noted concerns about the build quality relative to premium alternatives. Despite this, it offers a strong combination of performance, safety, and value, making it an excellent option for winter sports enthusiasts. Number 1 is the Scott Symbol 2+D MIPS. This is the overall best ski helmet on our list. It integrates 3 key technologies: D30 MIPS and 360-degree pure sound. D30 is a highly shock-absorbing material that adapts to movement but locks together upon impact to reduce transmitted force, addressing risks from low to high-speed impacts. The MIPS system provides additional protection against rotational forces during angled impacts and enhances brain safety beyond traditional helmets. Comfort and fit are top priorities with the WRAS 2-Fit system that offers micro-adjustability to accommodate various head shapes. The ergonomic cradle ensures a secure, snug fit, easily adjustable even with gloves. Ventilation is another highlight of this helmet. With a dual-active venting system, it allows precise airflow regulation for optimal comfort in all weather conditions. This ensures the helmet remains warm with closed vents yet highly ventilated when open. The helmet also features Scott's 360-degree pure sound technology, enhancing auditory awareness on the slopes by improving sound localization and clarity through specially designed ear pads. Its PC-in-mold construction with an EPS liner and PC bottom wrap ensures durability and protection while maintaining a sleek, low-profile design. This helmet's combination of cutting-edge technology, premium fit, and versatile performance makes it a standout choice for advanced skiers. Users appreciate its protection and comfort, though some note its premium price as a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, it's the best option for free ride and all mountain enthusiasts who prioritize advanced safety and performance. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect ski helmet much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.